Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you guys doing? It's me here, Fatima. I'm doing fine. If this is your first time to come across my video, you're welcome. Join the family, join the team. I got some fresh corn here today. We're going to be making fresh corn in the microwave. It's microwave corn. I got my clean flame here. I got butter. So I'm going to peel my corn and range them, and then I'll be back. Everything has been nice and clean now. So now I got my clean flame. I'm going to open my clean flame like that, like so, and put it at the side. Make sure your counter is nicely clean. We take our butter. We put the butter on the corn like that, like if you are putting butter on bread. Don't worry, it will go everywhere. Like so. I have some salt. Just pinch some salt, put it around it. So you see, that's my corn here, and then you wrap it. I'm going to wrap it with my clean flame. Today is something quick, like that. Get your clean flame up like that. We get our butter. Put as many butter as you want, as many salt as you want. If you don't want salt, it's fine. Even if you don't want butter on it, you can do it like that in the microwave. Oh my god, I wish you guys tried it. So nice. All the juice on the corn and the starch stays in. The corn is not going anywhere. Everything will stay inside your corn. I get my pinch of salt, put it around your corn like so, everywhere. Put as many salt as you want. So we are going to wrap it again like so. See, I'm going to wrap it. See, everything is nicely wrapped. So do the camera properly. Your butter, you see there's the amount of salt I'm doing. So you see the salt. Put any amount of salt you feel like that, how you want your corn. So now that's the corn. I'm going to add just a little bit amount of water like that in the plate to keep them moist. So I'm going to wrap it again. See, I'm going to wrap everything. So everything has been wrapped. I'll put it in my microwave now. That's the corn in my microwave. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna put it, time it. I'm gonna put it on 7 minutes. So that's it on 7 minutes. So that's my corn is ready. So if you put it on, it depends how powerful your microwave is. If you put it on 7 minutes, if it's not ready, You can still put it on 10 minutes. Definitely to be ready by 10 minutes. So it depends how powerful your microwave is. So that's my corn here, nicely been done. So thank you everyone, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time you come across this video, please don't forget to share, thumbs up, leave your comment. Thank you so much everyone, stay blessed. Thank you.